Hi, welcome back to Splashes YouTube channel. I'm Ardell, and we're here today in the Richmond branch to give you an idea of some of the great faucet colors we have right now. These are the kitchen faucets, but they also come in some of our bathroom faucets. The hottest trend right now is the black. So we have a matte black finish in many of our brands. You can see that this one has the pull down spray, and we can do single outlets, or we can also do bridge faucets with that. As we move along, we have the more classic chrome color. All of our faucets come in chrome, so if that's what you're looking for, no problem. The stainless finish is a brushed finish that matches stainless steel sinks. So again, if that's what you're looking for, be sure to ask and we can let you know the colors that are available. The newest color is black stainless. So what we've got is sort of a gunmetal dark pewter color, and that's going to match a lot of the appliances. Fridges and stoves and dishwashers are starting to come in this color, so Delta was able to offer a color to match as well. This faucet is called champagne bronze. So we've got a soft gold color that has a little bit of old world charm to it. Again, it'll come in a low faucet, it'll come in a high gooseneck faucet, so be sure to ask us which color you'd like. Again, we show traditional classic chrome. From Delta, we also have something called Arctic stainless. So it's more on the true gray color. We've got sinks that are starting to come in cement gray or metallic gray. So you may want to incorporate a color like this to match with your sink. From Moen, we've got brushed gold. It is a little bit brighter than the champagne we showed earlier. So if you have a chance to bring in the door handles or your lighting sample, that way we can match up the gold finishes for you. And here we are, we return to the black. We've got a full range of colors. Please come and see us, and we'd love to help you color your world.